Right.
Here we go.
Of course, we gotta grab on.
Yeah,
you have to.
I think so.
Whoa!
Oh yeah! Here we go. Wow. Oh yeah. I think it's gonna crank up. Here we go. Get ready.
Here we go.
Accelerate. Oh yeah. Very cool. Oh yeah. Oh, cool. One more. Do it. Oh, look at this. Woohoo! We had the best seats in the house. Good job. That was great.
It's pretty good. I mean,
Yeah,
you know,
it was smooth.
I wasn't expecting too much out of it because it looked a little slower than I thought it would. To get up here than I wanted.
Yep.
But at least I still made it. I mean, I think the line for it now is over an hour and a half.
Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, we did it right. Yep. Definitely a fan. I like it.
It was great. I loved it.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. And good luck to your son's science project.